Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Shaggy from Scooby Doo. I'm really excited, I hope you guys are as well. We're going to need 5 colors. We're going to need 2 shades of brown, a green, a black, and a tan. Well, let's go see what we can come up with.
We're going to start off by making Shaggy's chin. Next, we're going to make Shaggy's hair. After we finish that, we're going to make a small C shape for his ear, connecting his hair and his chin. Next, we're going to make 2 parallel lines for his neck. Then we're going to make 2 curved lines from his neck to a point for the neckline of his shirt. Next, we're going to start making the rest of his shirt. After that, we're going to start making Shaggy's arms and hands. Next, we're going to make Shaggy's pants. We're going to make 1 straight line coming down from the middle of his shirt. Then we're going to make a curved line on each side that connects to the middle line to finish his pants. Then we're going to make a shoe on each side coming out from the bottom of his pants. Next, we're going to add a couple detailed lines, 1 in his pants and 2 in his shirt. Lastly, we are going to finish Shaggy's face. We're going to make 2 circles for his eyes. Then we're going to make his nose coming down from the right eye. Next, we're going to give him a smile, and then a couple lines for his beard. Then we're going to make his pupils, and after that, we're going to add a few more lines for detail. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw Shaggy. Now come color your Shaggy in with us.